Welcome to your web design course. In this course we'll learn how to make web pages, and I just want to briefly go over the process that we'll use to be able to create web pages and really to be able to create anything. You've probably built something in your life, and as you built something you had building blocks or basic small pieces that you could piece together to be able to create something bigger. And you also probably had tools that you use to be able to shape and morph your building blocks and to be able to attach them together. So hopefully you already know the tools that you need to use. Hopefully you've learned how to use a computer, how to save files in certain locations, and also how to use a web browser to browse the web, and to be able to know about folders and directories and how you can save files. So those are the tools that you'll use to be able to piece together your building blocks. So in this course we'll have a lot of videos teaching you about how to use different building blocks. For example, we'll teach you how to place images into your web page, or place titles, or place text, paragraphs, and links, and so on. So as you watch those videos, hopefully you'll just think, okay, this is a building block that I can use to create something, to add into my web page, to make my web page have an additional feature. So that's why I created this web page right here. It's a pretty simple web page that has two pictures of building blocks and tools right here. And I was able to use the building blocks that we can use on the web, which are HTML tags, to be able to put two images in and to put two titles in. So as we get more and more advanced, you can throw together more and more building blocks and create nice web pages like BYU Hawaii's homepage right here. And a person grabbed a bunch of tools that they learned about in their web design course, and they learned how to piece them together really well, and they're able to create a really nice looking web page that represents this university. So hopefully by the end of this course you'll be able to learn about all of these tools and piece together really nice looking web pages. And that's the goal of the course, is to be able to create web pages either for yourself or for other businesses. And it is definitely a good skill to have, and lots of people will pay money for people that can create really good web pages for them. So before or after you finish watching this video, I would ask that you look in the links next to this video and watch a video that Elder Uchtdorf, or a talk that Elder Uchtdorf gave about creation. I'll have a link to both a video and his and a link to his talk in text that you can either read or watch, and it's a really inspiring video about how we've been put on this earth to be able to create. And I'm grateful that I'm able to present this material to you and teach you some things that you can do to be able to create web pages. And a lot of people think that creating web pages is really technical, and there is a lot of technical aspects, but it's more artistic than technical. So hopefully I'll be able to give the tools that you need to be able to express yourself in an artistic way to create really nice web pages. So please watch Elder Uchtdorf's talk or read it, and then make sure you think about what you want to get out of this course and include that in the comments in this video. Thanks.